Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on guys your eyes protection mode in your Samsung phone device guys. Guys, you want to on guys eyes protection mode in your Samsung phone, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on eyes protection mode in your Samsung phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on your eyes protection. Then guys you can see this type of setting, then guys scroll it. So as you can see guys your display setting, so guys you will have to click here, so guys we will click here. Then guys you can see, so then scroll it. Then guys you can see guys eye comfort shield means eyes protection, so guys you can on from here guys. And guys you can use guys after on guys you can see guys eye comfort shield is on. And guys you can color temperature guys, you can set yourself, you can customize yourself guys, like yellow and guys this white one. So like that guys you can on. And guys you can use your eyes protection guys. And guys when you use phone at night, when you operate your phone at night, so you should on it. It is good for your eyes. So I hope friends you have understood how to on eyes protection mode in our Samsung phone. And guys you want to off, so guys you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off eyes protection mode in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.